Hey guys, my name is Chianti and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. You guys know that I have a problem when it comes to buying bags, like a big problem, and today I'm doing another bag unboxing. I'm actually like, I've toned it down just a hair, just a little bit. So this was a steal. I had to get it and I'm gonna tell you why. But first, if you haven't, make sure you follow me on Instagram at thatsochianti. I'll be producing new content because I'm about to go on vacation. You already know what it is. You already know the vibes. You know the tea. Period. Anyways, guys, I needed a new tote, a brand new tote, and I went out and got me one, and that's pretty much the ends all be all of this statement. I went out and got me this tote, and if you can tell by the bag, that thing huge. It's huge, and it's okay because I love it, and I love it, and I love it, and I love it. Period. This was my old tote. I actually just got it. I still just got it. I got it this year. It's a Vera Bradley kind of like sheepskin feel or whatever, and it's really cute. It has a lot of pockets, but it just wasn't big enough for me, pretty much. Like, the inside's really cute. Look at it. Adorbs. But it does good if I'm just taking like my iPad, but if I'm taking my iPad and my laptop or whatever the case may be, this does not fit everything that I need. Even though it has like a lot of pockets and stuff, I would just like enjoy having a bigger bag, and that's what I did. Let me show y'all what I got. Okay, so this bag in particular comes in 2 different sizes. Look at her. She's not like anything super like special or whatever, but she's special to me. She's huge. Let me show y'all. You see how big this bag is? Like, this bag is huge, and I love her. I love her. Leave all your hate comments to yourself. But I did need a new tote because I've been traveling lately. I go to California next week, and I was like, ooh, I need me a new bag. And this is the bag that I chose. Now, there are some cons to this bag. Like, for instance, there's only 1 pocket, and that's something that I kind of like zonk completely, because that means I'm gonna have to buy other things to like hold like my lip gloss and stuff, because I just don't want my stuff flying all over my bag. But in terms of size, I just felt like I couldn't get anything better than this, just because it will fit my laptop and my iPad at the same time. It's a cute shoulder bag. It's huge. So I'm gonna have enough room for everything, and that is pretty much like the best part about it. In comparison to my old bag, let me show y'all, like, this. Can you see? Like, this is what it like. I can't really show you guys a good comparison, but this is how she was on my shoulder. So it just kind of gives you an idea of like what I'm working with, or what I was working with. Now, like I said, in terms of like just taking my iPad with me, this was a good bag. I would definitely continue to use it. It's just that like now that I'm going on a bigger trip, a longer trip, and then I'm literally going from California to Disney World, I just feel like I need something that holds both of my devices and my Switch, and like it's just like a lot, you know, and there's a lot of things, plus my chargers and everything. So I feel like it gets a little bit congested in this bag. So that is why I went out and got the Marc Jacobs bag. Now, to show you guys the inside, this is what it looks like. It's just an open bag. It's just a canvas color. I will spray guard it to protect it, just because of the fact that I don't want anything happening to this color. They also have a black one, and it comes in a smaller size, and more like the size of the original tote that I had, my Vera Bradley one. But like I said, I wanted to get something bigger, so I decided to get this one. There's actually a tag in here. It's originally $225, but I got it for $143.10. I told y'all I'm a baller on a budget. I will go to an outlet store so fast, especially if I'm not. You can wear like last season stuff and wear it like it's from this season. I don't know why people be tripping, but I don't. Okay, I don't. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get into the nitty and the gritty of this bag. I'm gonna show y'all. So it's just like I kind of call these like sporty straps with like a leather bind up here or whatever. It's not like too extra, but it's supposed maybe it's faux leather, I'm not sure. But there's also like little leather bindings right here, and then the zipper is a plastic zipper, but like the actual like zipper part is metal. It's like a gold finish. So they have a little Marc Jacobs logo in the front, and on the back there's nothing. It's just plain. Like I said, it's like a canvas type of material, so I hope that it's durable. The stitching says that it is, and I'm happy that it's like super stitched for the strap, so that way I feel like it'll be durable in terms of like me putting my laptop inside the bag, which is something that I was kind of worried about. I have a Bloomingdale's tote, and even though the stitching is like this, it's with plastic instead of thread, and it popped. Like, I got it fixed, the other side popped. Like, I can never win. I can never win with that bag. So I just kind of put it into rehabilitation because whatever. Now the inside of the bag I have shown you. There's only one pocket, but the one pocket does have a zipper to it right here. Then it's like a flat pocket. It's not sewn in against the bag, and it has a little Marc Jacobs emblem right there in white, and that is it. That's literally it. That's literally all there is to this bag. It's so simple. Like, it's just a big oversized tote with the simplest things to it. There's not a lot of pockets, and that's the only downside. But other than that, I'm happy with this bag. I enjoy this bag. I can't wait to travel with it, and I will definitely let you guys know whether I like love it or hate it in my California vlog. But as of right now, I love it. As of right now, I feel like she'll be durable, and she's neutral, so she's going to fit just about any airport outfit that you have. If you're a teacher, I think this is a cute little tote to like keep your laptop and stuff in, which is super adorable. If you go on road trips, I think that this is a cute bag to have. I feel like you can't go wrong with getting it. Like, if you buy it, you're not going to be wasting your money on it because you're going to get good use out of this bag, and that is what my mom told me to make me feel better about my purchase. Overall, this is a cute bag. I just wanted to film something nice and cute and show you guys like my new bag, because you know, every time I get a bag, I do a little film for y'all, do a little video and just show y'all what I have. But since it's like not much other than the fact that I needed a new tote bag, that's just I feel so bad, you know, I feel so bad. But I got better content coming from y'all on the way. I just didn't want to exclude y'all from this. I look good. I did my makeup. I'm about to go to dinner for my bestie, so I was like, why not? But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning into my video for my week unboxing or unbagging video of my Marc Jacobs totes. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't already, make sure that you click the little eye up there for my try on haul. I did a huge trying on haul for my last video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, make sure you follow me on Instagram at That's So Chianti, and I will catch you guys back in my next video. Bye.